Okay, who is ready to pump iron like a quilter or a sewist? I'm going to show you some great exercises to do with your sewing supplies, and bear with me till the end when I show you an amazing use for a weight that you might have sitting around your house, but you're going to want in your sewing room. Let's start out simple with some simple lifts. Just grab some stackers, move your arms. Nice and light to warm it up. You can also take a tape measure. Hold your arms out, do a little stretch your back. Next, I'm going to grab some bench pillow kits from Riley Blake Designs. A little bit heavier. You know, this is all good fun, right? Do some arm lifts. If you have bolts of fabric, those are great to lift. You can do lots of things with it. Go forward and back. Just grab all your fabric and stack it, and I'm telling you, this becomes a workout. Want to work your obliques? You can twist while holding your fabric. Okay, now for the moment you've all been waiting for. How I am going to incorporate this 8-pound weight into my quilting process. You're going to love it. All right, now the rest was in good fun, but this is serious. One of my friends taught me this. She uses her weight to hold her quilting ruler. You don't want to use anything so heavy that it's going to crack your ruler, but she says you put that down and that thing is really not going to slide. You can just gently hold that, push, and you're going to have a straight cut every time. So I hope you made it to the end, because not only can we use this to build muscle, but we can use this to make cutting straight fabric that much easier.